This 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL550 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. MB GL550 Sport Navigation System, Rear View Camera, Panoramic Sunroof, Heated Front Seat, Spooled Front Seat, Heated Rear Seat, Heated Steering Wheel, Heated and Cooled Front Cup Holders, Front Parking Sensors, Rear Parking Sensors, 4.6L V8 Bi-Turbo Engine, 7-speed Automatic Transmission, Wheel Drive System, Keyless and Tri-Keyless Start, Fog Lamps, Power Trunk Opener, Cruise Control, Power Adjustable Steering Wheel, Power Automatic Windows, Power Door Locks, Wood Trim Interior, Silver Metallic Exterior, Black Leather Interior, BMW floor mats, owner's manual, 2 sets of keys. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Megabytes GL550 is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp price, and visit us at autogallerychicago.com.